Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to make money while you sleep? If you're in the US, Canada, Australia, or the UK, this video is for you. Today, I'll break down the smartest ways to save money and build passive income, so you can stop worrying about expenses and start living your dream life. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe because I drop life-changing finance tips every week. Part 1. Why saving is broken and how to fix it. Let's be real. Saving money today is tough. With rising rent, groceries, and fuel prices, it feels impossible. But the problem isn't your income, it's your strategy. Here's the trick. Save first, spend later. Not the other way around. Set up an automatic transfer of at least 20% of your income into a high-yield savings account or an ISA, UK, TFSA, Canada. Your future self will thank you. Part 2. Passive income. Make money while you sleep. Saving alone won't make you rich. Let's talk passive income, the secret to financial freedom. Here are the top 3 passive income ideas that actually work. 1. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay you just for holding their stocks. Look for stable ones like Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola. 2. Real estate investing. If you're in Canada, the US, or Australia, consider rental properties or REITs, real estate investment trusts, for steady income. 3. Digital products and side hustles. Create an ebook, sell courses, or start a YouTube channel, just like this one. It scales without limits. Part 3. Action plan. Start today. You don't need a fortune to start, just small, smart steps. Here's what you do. Today, open a high-yield savings account. Invest in your first stock or REIT. Start a side hustle that brings you passive income. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest financial goal. Let's build wealth together.